We titled this course An Idiot's Guide to Construction Insurance because construction insurance can be complicated and ambiguous at times. And at the same time, it's super important for your construction business. That's why we wanted to dedicate an entire lesson to this. We hope construction insurance makes a lot more sense when we're done. And oh yeah, this lesson isn't just for idiots, it's for smart people too. Why buy insurance? There's generally 4 reasons to buy insurance for a construction business: to protect your business, to protect your assets, to meet contract requirements, and to comply with local, state, and federal law. How insurance works. Let's take a quick step back and break down what insurance is in the most simple way possible. When you purchase an insurance policy, you're pooling your money with a bunch of other people who, like you, are concerned something bad could be happening to you or your construction business. While the insurance company is betting they'll be collecting enough monthly payments to profit, even after dishing out huge payment for claims, and you're betting that your monthly payment is worth the cost in the event a claim is filed against you or your business in which your insurance company would cover the usually outrageous bill. The bottom line is you never know what's going to happen. For example, what if one of your workers carrying a stack of plywood falls and shatters a car window? Or what if one of your workers falls off a roof and breaks his leg? As a construction business owner, you're financially responsible for what goes wrong, and for that reason, insurance is a must. What are the risks of not having insurance? Putting it frankly, not having insurance for you and your construction business is crazy, not to mention illegal in many cases. And you're certainly not going to build a multi-million-dollar construction business without it. Why not? For starters, without insurance, it's highly unlikely you'll be winning serious construction projects once they find out you're uninsured. Believe me, the pros are checking the insurance status of every bidder. And how about the law? Although the law doesn't require you to have every type of insurance, it's almost always required people to have workers' compensation and commercial auto insurance. And rightfully so. For those of you who are new to running a construction business, it's likely that one of your employees will file for workers' comp, and it's likely there will be some sort of accident, big or small, with one of your vehicles. Types of construction insurance. General liability. Essential for general contractors, roofers, carpenters, and other contractors that face risky scenarios, general liability insurance protects a contractor from third-party claims of bodily injury or property damage while conducting business. For example, what if a person were to trip and fall on your job site? In this case, the bodily injury portion of your policy would protect you if the victim were to sue you. On a quick side note, general liability insurance would not cover injuries sustained by an employee. In that scenario, workers' compensation insurance would be required, which we'll get into later. Or how about if you're renovating a client's home and you or an employee accidentally damage some of their furniture? In this case, the property damage portion of your general liability policy should cover the cost to replace or repair the furniture. Although it's not usually required by law, general liability insurance may be required by an employer or a city or state in some cases. Also, some clients might even require that you show proof of general liability insurance before contracting you and your construction business. Commercial auto. Commercial auto insurance covers legal bills, medical expenses, and property damage if one of your business vehicles is involved in an accident. When is commercial auto insurance necessary? It's most common for operating a vehicle, sending employees on errands during work hours, and transporting equipment and tools. But what about heavy equipment? Well, we'll get to that shortly. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.